Hello Pulkit, my name is Eduardo from Vos Motors. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2011 BMW 328i. The kilometers is 139,710 kilometers and the price is 11,888 plus HST and licenses. This vehicle Carfax is very clean. It came from the province of Quebec, registered in Ontario. The car we took as a trade and is available at this time. Interior is a leather black interior with a sunroof, automatic transmission, power windows, power door locks, power seats. The rims is very clean, brand new brakes, and fully safety and certified. If you have some time, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you, or we can set an appointment to test drive. On behalf of Vos Motors, thank you for contacting us.